The day that holds such significance arrives, whether it's an anniversary, birthday, or any other special occasion, and you wish to present that cherished individual with a soothing and calming massage. Well, you're on the right channel. I'm going to teach you my secrets, my secret techniques to give a relaxing massage. Guys, first of all, the placement of the patient. As you can already see, a small towel is used to keep them covered. The patient might feel cold when we are performing the massage. That's why it's essential to always have an abundance of towels to place both above and below, ensuring the person remains comfortable. The temperature of the room is something that must align with the relaxation process. A touch of soothing ambient music. There we have it. And it's crucial to have a small pillow under the legs. If you don't have a pillow for the legs, you can use a towel instead. Once our patient is at ease and relaxed, we begin our massage. We start with the initial massage technique, which will be gentle surface stroking. The hands will be extremely relaxed, and we will proceed to gently touch the entire body of the patient slowly. All right? The movement now is from top to bottom, addressing the surface area. A trick is that if you want to give a relaxing massage, you have to be relaxed. If you're not relaxed, you won't be able to give a relaxing massage. Once we have established a gentle and slow rhythm, touching the entire surface of the patient's skin, what we're going to do is take a little bit of oil. You'll ask me, what oil do we use? Well, lavender is very good. I usually work with a hygienic hair pill. In this scenario, I have utilized lavender oil, and another valuable technique involves heating it for just 30 seconds until it becomes lukewarm. Be mindful of the precise handling of the oil. Never apply it directly onto the patient. We will let it fall onto the back of the hand and spread it gently, very slowly and softly. That's it. We recover with the hand. We have done 1 or 2 minutes of superficial stroking with one hand, and now we will do 1 or 2 minutes of superficial stroking with both hands over the entire surface we're going to treat. Today, we will even do a little bit of arm work from the lumbar gluteal area to the cervical arm region. As you see, this strategy can be executed very slowly. The second technique we are going to use involves reinforced hands, whether it's fingers or the heel of the hand, supported by the other hand to apply a bit more pressure. Remember, we did the first technique for 5 minutes. Look, we're going to do a synchronization. This is a pro trick, a synchronization of breathing. Let's see how the patient breathes. That will be the rhythm of our massage. Very important, we reinforce hands and we will start treating the gluteal area, okay? Look, I hope they take a breath. I go slowly, and when they exhale, we perform a movement. You need to breathe at the same speed. Just as a sports massage is quick and forceful, a relaxing massage is slow. And if you practice supportive breathing, which is called synchronizing your breathing with the patients, I don't even think about it anymore, and it comes naturally, it will be truly wonderful because the body will better accept the movement we are performing. To work on the glute technique, as you are observing, I reinforce my 2 little hands and we work both the left and the right. We'll reinforce to do the sun area, dorsal with the heel of the hand, and we'll let ourselves fall on the patient up to the cervical area. Did you know that when you receive a massage, endorphin secretion is generated? This hormone, commonly referred to as the happiness hormone, plays a crucial role in alleviating muscle tensions, improving circulation, and achieving a reduction in stress and anxiety. Let's continue. We are moving on to the arm. We grasp from here, never letting go of the patient. $1 million question. How long should a relaxing massage last? Well, never less than 20 minutes, please, and a maximum of 60. If you go over 60 or 50 minutes, you can lower the tension a lot and cause dizziness to the patient. All right, folks, now we're going to do something called the finger carousel. Okay? Just like we go up and down, we're going to work on the neck. And the technique begins in the letting them rest. The patient will tell you when they want to move, when they want to get up, as these massages lower tension. If you have questions, leave me a comment. I hope you like this massage, and as we always say, to healing and beyond. Goodbye. Goodbye.